Hello student, now this is the third part of the exercise 6.1. First part was introduction for the exercise 6.1. In second part I had explained the question number 1 to 16 and this is the third part. Okay. Now the question number 17. Express the following exponential equations in logarithmic form. First is 2 raised to 5 is equals to 32. आता 2 raised to 5 is equals to 32 याचं हे एक्सपोनेन्शियल फॉर्म मध्ये ते लॉगरिथमिक मध्ये करताना काय दॅट इज हा 2 इकडे येतो आणि 32 ला लॉग म्हणून कन्सिडर करतो 2 हा त्याचा बेस तयार होत असतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल सपोज दॅट हियर आय हॅव x a raised to x is equals to b, then this can be converted into the log form, that is x is equals to log of b to the base a in this way. Okay, and similarly here 5 is equals to log of 32 to the base 2. Next is 54 raised to 0. Again it can be written as 0 is equals to log of 1 to the base 54. Next 23 raised to 1 is equals to 23. Again 1 is equals to log of 23 to the base 23. Next is 9 raised to 3 by 2 is equals to 27. Again in the log form, that is 3 by 2 is equals to log of 27 to the base 9. 3 raised to minus 4 is equals to 1 upon 81. And again in the log form, minus 4 is equals to log of 81 to the base, log of 1 upon 81 to the base 3. Okay. Now the next, 10 raised to minus 2 is equals to 0.01. Again, in the logarithmic form, minus 2 is equals to log of 0.01 to the base 10. Okay, here. E raised to 2 is equals to 7.3890. Again, 2 is equals to log of 7.3890 to the base e. Okay, now the next, e raised to 1 upon 2 is equals to 1.6487. And hence 1 upon 2 is equals to log of 1.6487 to the base e. Next, e raised to minus x is equals to 6 and hence minus x is equals to log of 6 to the base e. प्रत्येकदा हा जो एक्सपोनंट त्याचा बेस जो असेल तो राईट हँड साइडला येतो अँड इट बिकम्स द बेस ऑफ दॅट पर्टिक्युलर लॉग. ओके, तो प्रत्येकदा काय होत असतो तिथे लॉग तयार होत असतो, बेस तयार होत असतो त्या पलीकडच्या नंबरचा. Okay, it's very easy. I would explain. That is, what is that? A raised to x is equals to b. Okay, and this can be converted into the log form. It is like this. That is a log of b to the base a. आणि हे जर आपल्याला एक्सपोनेन्शियल फॉर्म मध्ये करायचं असेल तर a raised to x इथे किती येणार? a raised to x and that's equals to b. Okay. Now we'll take the next question. Easy question set. आता इथे पुन्हा express the following logarithmic function in the exponential form. पुन्हा हा 2 इकडे येणार आणि या 6 ला त्याचा रेस्ट टू करणार, म्हणजे 6 ला त्याच्या डोक्यावरती करणार इनडायरेक्टली आणि हा 64 बरोबर या साइडला येणार. आय कॅन राईट हियर दॅट इज अ लॉग ऑफ 64 टू द बेस 2 इज इक्वल्स टू 6. ओके, म्हणजेच हा 2 या 6 ला डोक्यावरती घेणार आणि हा 64 इनडायरेक्टली खाली येणार. आपल्याला समजण्यासाठी मी सांगतो ते. ओके, and this is the converted into the exponential form. Okay, therefore 64 is equals to 2 raised to 6. पुन्हा हा 5 इकडे येणार आणि या 2 raised to 5 2 हा 5 पुन्हा या राईट हँड साइडला येणार आणि पुन्हा त्या -2 ला त्याच्या डोक्यावर. ओके, पुन्हा 5 या राईट हँड साइडला येणार आणि तो त्या 2 ला डोक्यावरती येणार इनडायरेक्टली. साध्या भाषेत सांगायचं झालं तर दॅट इज 5 raised to -2 आणि 1 upon 25 या साइडचा तो ऍज इट इज राहणार. ओके, 5 raised to -2 is equals to 1 upon 25. Okay, now the next is a log of 0.001 to the base 10 is equals to -3. And again we will convert it into the exponential form, that is a 10 raised to -3 is equals to 0.001. Okay, next log of, again next log of 8 to the base 1 upon 2, that is equals to -3. again this will be converted. We will convert to the exponential form. पुन्हा 1 upon 2 या -3 ला raised to करणार, that is 1 upon 2 raised to -3, that is equals to 8. Next, natural log of 1, that is equals to 0. Okay, and again we will convert it. त्याचा बेस किती असतो प्रत्येकदा? Natural log चा बेस किती असतो? तर e असतो, and that is I will write in this manner. This is the log of 1 to the base e, and that's equals to 0. We'll convert in to the exponential form. Again, ha 1, ha e या 0 raised to करणार. Okay, e raised to 0, that is equals to 1. And again, this logarithmic form is converted into the exponential form. Next, a natural log of e is equals to 1. Again, I will write here. One more thing is that log of e again to the base e, and that's equals to 1. पुन्हा हा इकडे येणार, 1 ला raised to करणार, that is e is equals to e raised to 1 in this way. Okay. Now the next, natural log of 1 upon 2, that is equals to minus 0.693. Okay, and again I will write here, this is the log of 1 upon 2 to the base e, and that is equals to minus 0.693, and hence 1 upon 2 is equals to e raised to minus 0.693. Okay, that is equals to 1 upon 2. Next, find the domain of, okay, f of x is equals to natural log of x minus 5. Okay, f of x is equals to natural log of x minus 5. f of x is defined only if x minus 5 is positive. म्हणजेच काय, x हा 5 पेक्षा मोठा असला पाहिजे. Okay, 5, therefore its domain is a open interval 5 to infinity. Okay, this is question है. Now the next, f of x is equals to log of x square minus 5x plus 6 to the base 10. f of x is defined only if x square minus 5x plus 6 is positive. x square minus 5x is greater than minus 6. या 6 ला पलीकडे आणणार. Now find out the last term. Middle term आपल्याला माहिती आहे. Middle term is a minus 5x. This middle term is equals to 2 into first term into second term minus 5x is equals to 2 into x into, this is the second term. X get cancelled and you will get second term minus 5 by 2. आता minus 5 by 2 चा square add करणार दोन्ही साइडला perfect square होण्यासाठी. Its a square is a 25 by 4. Therefore add 25 by 4 on both sides. Now this is a perfect square. X minus 5 by 2 bracket square. Again we will simplify there. 4 into minus 6 minus 24 plus 25. Then you will get 1 by 4. Okay. Take the square root on both sides. Okay. Once if you take it is a plus, then x minus 5 by 2 is a greater than 1 upon 2. And if we take it is a minus, x minus 5 by 2 is less than 1 upon 2, or x minus 5 by 2 is less than minus 1 upon 2. Okay. Now this can be simplified. Here simplify आपल्याला करता येतं. Add minus 5 by 2, sorry, add plus 5 by 2 on both sides. Then what will happen? This minus 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 will get cancelled. And इकडे plus 5 by 2 जर आपण add केले, that is 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2, then you will get 3 here. Okay, I will show here. X minus 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 is a greater than 1 upon 2 plus 5 by 2. This will get cancelled and you will get x is a greater than 5 plus 1, 6, 6 by 2. That is, it's a greater than like this. X is a greater than 3. Similarly here, add plus 5 by 2 on both sides. Then what will happen? X minus 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 is less than minus 1 upon 2 plus 5 by 2. Okay. Then what will happen? X is less than that is here you will get 4 upon 2 and that is equals to 2. X is less than 2 in this way. Okay, x is greater than 3 or x is less than 3. And therefore f of x is defined if x is less than 2 or x is greater than 3. And therefore the domain x हा दोनापेक्षा लहान आहे म्हणजेच काय its interval is a minus infinity to 2 and x is greater than 2 means what? The open interval from 3 to infinity and this is the domain that's equals to the open interval minus infinity to 2 union open interval 3 to infinity in this way. Okay, पुन्हा एकदा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकताय हे क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन हा परफेक्ट स्क्वेअर करतो आपण. ओके, आणि तो इव्हॅल्युएट करतो, फाइंड आउट द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ एक्स. ओके, then you will get the domain. Now the next, write the following expression as sum or the difference of logarithms. Okay, sum or the difference. But before that मी पुन्हा काही लॉगचे रूल्स तुम्हाला इथे पुन्हा सांगणार आहे. log of m into n and that is equals to log of m plus log of m and the log of m upon n and that is equals to log of m minus log of n in this way. Similarly here log of pq upon rs is equals to log of pq minus log of rs. Log of pq means what? Log of p plus log of q minus log of r plus log of s. This is the s. Okay. Now the next is, here simplify. Log of pq upon rs is equals to log of p plus log of q minus log of r minus log of s. Okay, in this way. Okay, simple rules set logarithm चे p upon q म्हणजेच काय इथे सबट्रॅक्शन नंतर मग प्रॉडक्ट रूल म्हणजे त्यांचा सम ओपन द ब्रॅकेट and you will get. Okay, next log of root x into cubic root of y. Okay, log of root x into cubic root of y दोघांमध्ये product आहे, therefore the log of here again the we will apply here the rule log of m into n and that's equals to log of m plus this is the log of n. Okay, मग या दोघांचे ऍडिशन करणार, but root x means what? X raised to 1 upon 2. Cubic root of y means what? Log of y raised to 1 by 3 in this way. And hence log of root x into cubic root of y is equals to 1 upon 2 log x plus 1 by 3 log of y in this way. Okay. Next, natural log of a raised to 3 into a minus 2 bracket square upon root of b square plus 5. Again the natural log of, पुन्हा इथे कसं आहे तर डिव्हिजन आहे. We'll apply here the rule log of m upon n that is equals to log of m minus log of n. Okay, similarly here natural log of a raised to 3 into a minus 2 bracket square minus natural log of in root of b square plus 5. Okay, again the product rule इथे apply करणार log of natural log of a raised to 3 plus natural log of a minus 2 bracket square minus natural log of b square plus 5 raised to 1 upon 2. Okay, मग नंतर हा again we will apply the rule of the exponent that is log of m raised to n is equals to n times this is the log of m in this way. Similarly here that is a 3 times log of a, पुन्हा exponent 2 पुढे येणार 2 times log of that is a natural log of a minus 2 minus again 1 upon 2 natural log of b square plus 5 in this way. Okay, now the next is natural log of in bracket cubic root of x minus 2 into 2x plus 1 bracket raised to 4 upon x plus 4 into root of 2x plus 4 bracket square. आता पहिल्यांदा इथे bracket square आहे, पुन्हा exponent rule तिथे apply करणार that is a log of m raised to n that is equals to n times this is the log of m. Okay, हा पुढे आला. नंतर या दोघांमध्ये डिव्हिजन आहे, म्हणजेच काय करणार, दॅट इज अ 2 टाइम्स नॅचरल लॉग ऑफ दिस होल क्वांटिटी मायनस नॅचरल लॉग ऑफ दिस होल क्वांटिटी. पुन्हा या दोघांमध्ये काय, तर प्रॉडक्ट रूल अप्लाय करणार आपण इथे. दॅट इज अ लॉग ऑफ cubic root of, that is a natural log of x minus 2 raised to 1 by 3 plus natural log of 2x plus 1 raised to 4 minus in square bracket natural log of x plus 4 plus natural log of 2x plus 4 raised to 1 upon 2. नंतर ब्रॅकेट काय करणार, तो नॉर्मली ओपन करणार and hence you will get the answer. Okay. This is the answer. Easy question आहे, पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकता. पहिल्यांदा m अपॉन n रूल वापरलाय. आता त्याच्या आधी एक्सपोनंटचा रूल तिथे अप्लाय केला, देन m अपॉन n, नंतर इंडिव्हिज्युअल इथे तो अप्लाय करतो प्रॉडक्ट, म्हणजेच काय, दोघांची ऍडिशन. ब्रॅकेट ओपन केलाय, यू विल गेट द आन्सर. नाव द नेक्स्ट, राईट द फॉलोइंग एक्सप्रेशन ॲज अ सिंगल लॉगरिथम. हे जे एक्सपांड केलेले ते कॉम्पॅक्ट मध्ये आपण इथे करणार. ओके, फर्स्ट 5 log x plus 7 log y minus log of z. 5 log of x can be written as log of x raised to 5 plus 7 log of y can be written as log of y raised to 7 minus log z. Okay, then here we will apply the product rule, that is a log of x raised to 5 into y raised to 7 minus log z. Okay, and again the पुन्हा तिथे subtraction आहे, म्हणजेच काय, log of m minus log of n means what, log of m upon n, that is a log of x raised to 5 into y raised to 7 upon z in this way. Okay, therefore this as a single logarithm. Okay, next पुन्हा single मध्ये कन्वर्ट करणार, that is 1 by 3 log of x minus 1 plus 1 upon 2 log x. आणि पुन्हा हा एक्सपोनंट आहे, we can also express that is a m times log of n means what, log of n raised to m. Therefore log of x minus 1 raised to 1 by 3 plus log of x raised to 1 upon 2 in this way. पुन्हा इथे product of the two, what is here, the cubic root of x minus 1 होणार आणि हा root x होणार. Okay, again we can write here, that is a log of, in bracket, cubic root of x minus 1, this will be the first, and what about the second, log of square root of x. Okay, पुन्हा या दोघांमध्ये साइन कसं आहे, तर मायनस साइन कसं आहे, इट्स अ प्लस, therefore there is a multiplication, that is a log of cubic root of x minus 1 into root x. हा कॉम्पॅक्ट फॉर्म मध्ये झाला येतो आता. ओके, इन अ सिंगल फॉर्म. पुन्हा आता हा सिंगल फॉर्म मध्ये एक्सप्रेस करायचा आहे, या दोघांचं ऍडिशन आहे, म्हणजेच काय होणार, तर मल्टिप्लिकेशन, आणि -3 टाइम्स लॉग ऑफ एक्स प्लस नॅचरल लॉग ऑफ एक्स प्लस 5. पुन्हा हा 3 त्याचा रेस्ट होणार पहिल्यांदा. ओके, therefore the natural log of x plus 2 into x minus 2 minus natural log of x plus 5 raised to 3. पुन्हा इथे दोघांमध्ये काय, तर मायनस साइन आहे, दिस इज दी वन टर्म, सिंगल टर्म, दिस इज द सेकंड, दोघांमध्ये मायनस साइन आहे, म्हणजेच काय मिळणार आपल्याला, इथे ते डिव्हिजन मिळणार. नाव द प्रॉडक्ट ऑफ x plus 2 into x minus 2, then you will get x square minus 4. Okay, therefore the natural log of x square minus 4 upon x plus 5 bracket is 2. This way it is in the compact form. Okay, now the next, given that the log of 2 is equals to a, log of 3 is a b, then write log of root of 96 in terms of a and b. Okay, आता 96 कसे लिहिणार, 32 into 3, 32 means what, 2 raised to 5. ओके, आपल्याला 2 आणि 3 तिथे आला पाहिजे, मग कसं लिहिणार, 32 into 3, 32 means what, 2 raised to 5. Okay, into 3. Therefore root of 96 can be written as root of 2 raised to 5 into 3. आता 2 raised to 5 into 3 त्याचं रूट साइन आहे ते. ओके, then this can be written as, this is a 2 raised to 5 into 3, it can be written as 2 raised to 5 into 3, and this whole bracket raised to 1 upon 2, and that is 2 raised to 5 upon 2 into 3 raised to 1 upon 2. 2 raised to 5 upon 2 and 3 raised to 1 upon 2. Okay. Now the next, take the log on both sides. That is the log of root of 96 is equals to log of in square bracket 2 raised to 5 by 2 into 3 raised to 1 upon 2. And this can be again written as high exponent. That is a 5 by 2 putting in a log of 2 plus 1 upon 2. Okay. Must be plus sign. Okay. Plus 1 upon 2 log of 3. Sorry, 1 upon 2 log of 3 in this way. And therefore, what is the log of 2? Log of 2 is a and log of 3 is a b. Therefore, 5 by 2a plus b by 2 in this way. And this is nothing but the log of root of 96 is equals to. We can add this. दोघांचा बेस कसा आहे तर सिमिलर सेम. Therefore, 5a plus b upon 2 is the log of root of 96. पुन्हा एकदा तुम्ही बघू शकता 96 कसा दिला 2 raised to 5 plus 3. We want to express root of 96. Take the root sign. If we take the root sign, that is a 2 raised to 5 raised to 1 upon 2. Means what? 2 raised to 5 by 2. 3 raised to 1 upon 2 means what? 3 raised to 1 upon 2. Okay. Now take the log on both sides. Log घ्यायचा असेल तर या दोघांमध्ये मल्टिप्लिकेशन साइन आहे. Therefore it is a plus. That is a log of 2 raised to 5 by 2 plus log of 3 raised to 1 upon 2. पुन्हा 5 by 2 पुढे घेणार plus 1 by 2 पुढे घेणार log of 3 and in this way. Okay. But what is the log of 2? Log of 2 is a and log of 3 is b. Therefore this is replaced by a, this is replaced by b. Therefore 5a upon 2 plus b upon 2. Okay. We can add this. Therefore log of root of 96 is equals to 5a plus b upon 2. Okay. In this way. Now the next question. Prove that b raised to log of a to the base a and that's equals to a. Okay. म्हणजे काय हा द बेसिक रूलच आहे यासाठी. अगेन आय विल राईट हियर इन दिस मॅनर ऑल्सो. दॅट इज अ लॉग ऑफ that is a raised to log of b to the base a and that is equals to b. Okay. This equals to b. Now for this I will write here let that is a b raised to log of a to the base b. Okay. By the mistake here b raised to log of a to the base b and that's equals to x. Okay. Suppose I write here b raised to log of a to the base b is equals to x. म्हणजे काय की हा exponent form आहे and I can convert this exponent form to the logarithmic form. It means that I will write here in the log form log of a to the base b and that's equals to हा b इकडे येणार असं log form मध्ये तयार होणार. That is equals to log of x to the base b. आता हे दोन लॉग्स आहेत त्या दोघांचा बेस कसा आहे तर सेम आहे. Then you will get a is equals to x. It means that a is equals to x. Okay. Here a is equals to x. But what is x? X means what? b raised to log of a to the base b. And hence a is equals to b raised to log of a to the base b. It is true. Okay. पुन्हा एकदा तुम्ही बघू शकताय याला x कन्सिडर करायचा. हा एक्सपोनंट फॉर्म पुन्हा लॉग मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचा. दोघांचा बेस सारखा आहे म्हणजे a is equals to x. आपल्याला a is equals to x आला. But what is x? Replace the value of this x. That is a b raised to log of a to the base a and that's equals to a in this way. Next, log of a to the base b raised to m is equals to 1 upon m log of a to the base b. Okay. तर यामध्ये आपण ही लेफ्ट हँड साइड कन्सिडर करणार. log of a to the base b raised to m. इथे चेंज ऑफ द बेस आपण इथे ट्रीट करणार. What is the formula? Log of p to the base a can be written as log of p to the base r upon log of a to the base again here r. What is here? R. Okay. Similarly here, this is the single quantity. Okay. And this is the a. Therefore, log of a to the base b, log of b raised to m to the base b. Okay. Therefore, log of a to the base b upon log of b raised to m to the base b. आता पुन्हा इथे एक्सपोनंट आहे, हा पुढे येणार. That is a log of a to the base b as it is. हा m जर पुढे आला, m times log of b to the base b. But log of b to the base b, त्याची व्हॅल्यू किती? That is 1. By using the rule, log of a to the base a is 1 for all a greater than 0 and a is not equals to 1. म्हणजेच काय? log of b to the base b ची व्हॅल्यू किती आली? तर 1 आली. Therefore, log of a to the base b upon m into 1. And hence, you will get 1 upon m log of a to the base b. And hence, log of a to the base b raised to m is equals to 1 upon m log of a to the base b. It is approved. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकता, चेंज ऑफ द बेस प्रॉपर्टी इथे अप्लाय केले. ओके, त्या दोघांचा बेस आपण काय ट्रीट केलाय? तर बी ट्रीट केलेला आहे. Now the next, a raised to log of b to the base c is equals to b raised to log of a to the base c. These two values are same. And suppose that this is equals to x. That is, x is equals to a raised to log of b to the base c. Y is equals to b raised to log of a to the base c. Now again, this is the exponential form. We will convert into the log form. That is a हा एक्सपोनेन्शियल फॉर्म आहे. तो लॉग मध्ये आपल्याला जर कन्वर्ट करायचा असेल, दॅट इज अ टेक लॉग ऑन बोथ साइड्स. त्याच्या दोन्ही साइड्सला काय घेतलाय? तर लॉग घेतलाय. दॅट इज अ लॉग ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू लॉग ऑफ दिस होल क्वांटिटी. व्हॉट इज दॅट? a raised to log of b to the base c. Log of a raised to log of b to the base c. Similarly, take log on both sides. That is a log of y is equals to log of b raised to log of a to the base c in this way. Okay. पुन्हा याचा हा पॉवर आली इथे. That is a we can express, that is a log of m raised to n is equals to n times. इथे काय होत आहे? log of m. तसाच याची जी एक्सपोनंट आहे a raised to log of b to the base c, हा काय आला? तो पुढे आला. That is a log of a. Similarly, log of y, पुन्हा हा त्याचा एक्सपोनंट काय येणार? तर तो पुढे येणार इथे log of a to the base c into log of b in this way. Okay, now here we will apply the change of the base property. Log of x as it is इथे treat करणार. Okay, the log of b to the base c, log of b to the base c can be written as log of b upon log of c into log of a. Log of y is equals to log of a to the base c can be written as change of the base property. Okay, what is that property? I will write here that property. Log of m to the base n can be written as log of m upon log of n. Similarly here, the log of b upon log of c into log of a. Similarly, log of a, change of the base property, log of a upon log of c in this way. Okay, now the next. Therefore here, what's happening here? Log of x म्हणजे काय? The log of x म्हणजे log of b upon log of c into log of a. And log of y म्हणजे काय? Log of a into log of b upon log of c. Log of b into log of a upon log of c. Log of a into log of b upon log of c. Means what? These two are the equal. कोणते दोन equal? Log of x is equals to log of y. As log of x is equals to log of y, it means that x is equals to y. And hence, a raised to log of b to the base c, that is equals to b raised to log of a to the base c, and in this way we have proved it. Okay, पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकता. या दोघांना पहिल्यांदा x म्हणायचं. Take log on both sides. Apply the change of the base property. Then you will get these two are equal. As these two are equal, x is equals to y. म्हणजेच x आपण कोणाला कन्सिडर केलं होतं? तर हे y कोणाला हे, and hence they are the equal. Now the next question number 24. If f of x is equals to x square minus bx plus 6 and f of 2 is 3, f of 4 is 30, find a and b. Okay, आता f of x is equals to x square minus bx plus 6. Then what is f of 2? That x is replaced by 2. F of 2 is equals to a into 2 square minus b into 2 plus 6. 2 square means what? 4. F of 2 is equals to 4a minus 2b plus 6. What about the value of the f of 2? F of 2 is 3. Okay. Therefore, 4a minus 2b plus 6 is equals to 3. Therefore, 4a minus 2b is equals to 3 minus 6 means what? Minus 3. What about the f of 4? F of 4 म्हणजे काय? F of 4 is again, that is a into 4 square minus b into 4 plus 6. That is 16a minus 4b plus 6. And that is equals to 30. This equals to 30. 16a minus 4b plus 6 is equals to 30. हे simplify करणार. हा 6 पलीकडे गेला. 30 minus 6, that you will get 24. म्हणजे काय? 16a minus 4b is equals to 24. Divide the whole equation by 2. 16 upon 2, 16a upon 2, 8a. Minus 4b upon 2, 2b. 24 upon 2, 12. And this is the number 2. And therefore, we'll solve these two equations. Equation 1 and equation 2. Now see this here. We'll solve these two equations. 4a, see this here. 4a minus 2b. Okay. 4a minus 2b. This is the first one. And that is equals to minus 3. What about the second equation? 8a minus 2b, and that is equals to 12. It is subtraction karna. Okay. Equation subtracting 1 from the 2 or anything. 1 from the 2. We'll change here. The sign will be like this. Okay. These two will get cancelled. And then here you will get minus 4a, and that is equals to minus 15. And therefore, a is equals to, what you will get? A is equals to minus 15 upon minus 4, and that is equals to 15 upon 4. This is the value of the A. Now, find out the value of the B. Okay. तर कुठल्या एका इक्वेशन मध्ये टाकणार. That is 4a minus 2b is equals to minus 3. 4a minus 2b, and that is equals to minus 3. यामध्ये a ची व्हॅल्यू टाकणार. 4 get cancelled. You will get 15 minus 2b is equals to minus 3. And therefore minus 2b is equals to minus 3 minus 15. That is equals to minus 18. And hence b is equals to 9 here. And hence the a is equals to 15 by 4 and b is equals to 9. Okay. तुम्ही इथे बघू शकताय. Okay. f of x, f of 2 ची व्हॅल्यू, त्याच्यावरनं एक इक्वेशन मिळणार. f of 4 ची व्हॅल्यू, त्यावरनं दुसरं इक्वेशन मिळणार. Solve these two equations simultaneously. Take their subtraction. Subtracting 1 from 2. मी 1 from 2 केलेलं आहे. Okay. Subtracting 2 from 1. Okay. Get the values. Now the next. Question number 25. Solve for x. Log of 2 plus log of x plus 3 minus log of 3x minus 5 is equals to log of 3. Okay. x साठी आपल्याला सॉल्व करायचं. हे इक्वेशन त्याने आपल्याला दिलं. Now see this here. या दोघांमध्ये काय तर ऍडिशन आहे. Therefore, we will apply the product rule here. That is the log of 2 into x plus 3 minus log of 3x minus 5 is equals to log 3. पुन्हा या दोघांमध्ये काय साइन आहे तर मायनस, म्हणजे डिव्हिजन होणार. दॅट इज द लॉग ऑफ, या 2 ने x ला मल्टिप्लाय करणार 2x, 2 ने 3 ला 6, मायनस साइन असल्यामुळे डिव्हिजन. दॅट इज द लॉग ऑफ 2x plus 6 upon 3x minus 5 is equals to log 3. Cancel log on both sides, then you will get 2x plus 6 upon 3x minus 5, that's equals to 3. Cross multiplication. या 3x minus 5 ला 3 ने मल्टिप्लाय करणार 9x minus 15, and then simplify. हा 9x इकडे आणणार, that will become minus. Here you will get 2x minus 9x is equals to minus 15. Okay, minus 6. Minus 15 minus 6 means what? Minus 21. And hence x is equals to minus 21 upon minus 7, and that is equals to 3. This is equals to 3, and this is the answer. Okay, x is equals to 3. In this way we can simplify. पुन्हा एकदा तुम्ही बघू शकताय, addition, multiplication, minus. पुन्हा दोघांमध्ये minus and division. That is a, we can cancel the log on both sides, or we can take anti-log on both sides. आणि नंतर हे normal simplification. Okay, 2 times log of, again I will repeat here, 2 times log of x to the base 10 is equals to 1 plus log of in bracket x plus 11 upon 10 to the base 10. Okay, simplify for the x. Okay, now see this here, 2 times log of x to the base 10 is equals to 1 plus log of x plus 11 upon 10 to the base 10. Okay, a simplification. Now this 1 can be written as, where special adjustment here, that is a log of 10 to the base 10. या ठिकाणी 10 बेस का घेतला, कारण की आपल्या एक्झाम्पल्स मध्ये देखील 10 तिथे आलेला आहे. And that's why we are writing here 10 to the base. Okay, 2 times log of x to the base 10 is equals to log of 10 to the base 10 plus log of x plus 11 upon 10 to the base 10. Okay, आता या दोन लॉग्स मध्ये काय तर ऍडिशन आहे. Therefore here will be the multiplication of the 10 into in bracket x plus 11 upon 10. That is a 10 into in bracket x plus 11 upon 10. या दोघांचं multiplication, then you will get 10x plus 10 into 11 upon 10, 10 get cancelled, you will get 11 here. Okay, आणि पुन्हा इथे 2 times log of x to the base 10. हा पुन्हा 2 इथे येणार आणि या रेस्ट होणार x raised to. That is a log of x raised to 2 to the base 10. This one. Okay, I will write here log of, there is a x square. Okay, to the base 10. Okay. Therefore x square is equals to, इथे बघा दोन लॉग्स आहेत आपल्याकडे, that is a log of x square to the base 10 is equals to log of in bracket 10x plus 11 to the base 10, and hence you will get x square is equals to 10x plus 11. And next normal simplification है. Okay, x square is equals to 10x plus 11. 10x plus 11 left hand side ला आणणार, you will get x square minus 10x minus 11, and the product या दोघांचं किती होणार, minus 11x square. सम किती पाहिजे तर minus 10x असलं पाहिजे. The factors किती तर minus 11 plus 1. Therefore the factors are x minus 11 in first bracket, second bracket x plus 1. तुम्ही ते पुन्हा एक स्टेप इथे लिहू शकताय, minus 11x plus x minus 11, and that's equals to 0. Take x as a common, then in bracket x minus 11, take 1 as a common, then in bracket x minus 11, and that's equals to 0. X minus 11, x minus 11. X minus 11 is equals to 0. X plus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore x is equals to 11, x is equals to minus 1. Okay. Okay. But the log of x to the base 10 is not defined for x is equals to minus 1. Okay. प्रत्येकदा लॉगची क्वांटिटी जी असते आपण जे बघत असतो ते कशा असतात तर पॉझिटिव्ह असतात. And therefore x is equals to minus 1 is not possible. Then what is the value of x? X is equals to 11, and this is the answer. पुन्हा एकदा तुम्ही बघू शकता. Okay, this one can be written as log of 10 to the base 10. इथे plus sign है, therefore we'll take the product. Okay, and next take antilog, or we take log of 10 get cancelled. It means that log of these two quantities to the base 10 are equal, means what? This x square is equals to 10 into in bracket x plus 11 upon 10, and then simplify. You will get the value of two values. X is equals to minus 1 and x is equals to 11. X is equals to minus 1 is not possible because log of negative quantity is not defined. Okay, and therefore x is equals to 11. Now the next, log of x to the base 2 plus log of x to the base 4 plus log of x to the base 16, and that's equals to 21 by 4. Okay, now see this here, Log of x to the base 2 can be written as change of the base property. Log of x upon log of 2. Again, the property आपण इथे apply करणार. Log of m to the base n is log of m upon log of n. Log of x upon log of 4 plus log of x upon log of 16 is equals to 21 upon 4. Again, take log of x as a common. 1 upon log of 2 plus 1 upon log of 4 plus 1 upon log of 16. इथे जर बघितलं 2, 4, 16. log 2 कॉमन मध्ये आपल्याला एक्सप्रेस करता येईल. 1 upon log of 2. 4 means what? 1 upon log of 2 raised to 2. Plus 16 means what? 1 upon log of 2 raised to 4. That is equals to 21 by 4. पुन्हा आता हा raised to 2 पुढे घेणार by using the exponent property. That is 1 upon 4 log of 2. Okay. 1 upon log of 2 common घेणार. Okay. आणि हा log of x. That is a log of x upon log of 2. हा denominator आहे. तो denominator इथे राहणार. What are the terms remaining here? 1. Here is 1 upon 2. Next is 1 by 4. And that is equals to 21 upon 4. पुढे normal simplification आहे. LCM घेणार. 4 is LCM. Multiplied n and d by 4 here. That is 4 multiplied n and d by 2. And 1 is as it is. That is a 4 plus 2 plus 1 upon 4. Okay. कशी तुम्ही addition करू शकता. तुम्हाला जे easy वाटेल तसं. Okay. That is 4 plus 2 plus 1 upon 4. And you will get here 7 by 4. 7 by 4. Log of x upon log of 2. That is equals to 21 upon 4. Now next. Here this 4 will get cancelled. Okay. Log of x upon log of 2. That is equals to 21 upon 7. And this is a 3. Log of x upon log of 2 is equals to 3 here. And therefore, log of x is equals to 3 into log of 2. But 3 into log of 2 means what? Log of 2 raised to 3. Now, as these two logs are equal, okay, 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3 means what? 8. As these two logs are equal, therefore x is equals to 8. And hence, this is the answer. Okay. पुन्हा एकदा तुम्ही ते बघू शकता. Okay, change of the base property. First take log 2 common, then 2, 4, 16. Make the 2 as a that the log 2 मध्ये सगळं express आपण करणार ते. Okay, apply the exponent rule. Take the log of 2 common, simplify. Then 7 by 4 is equals to log of x upon log of 2 is equals to 20 upon 4. 4 get cancelled. Next simplification. That is the log of x is equals to 3 times log of 2 means what? Log of 2 raised to 3. That is the log 8. Okay, x is equals to 8. Now the next one. X plus log of 1 plus 2 raised to x to the base 10 is equals to x into log of 5 to the base 10 plus log of 6 to the base 10. Okay. Now x plus log of 1 plus 2 raised to x to the base 10 is equals to x log of 5 to the base 10 plus log of 6 to the base 10. Okay. Again, high x can be written as, this x can be written as log of, okay, x into, that is x is equals to x into log of 10 to the base 10. पण इथे 10 का घेतला की सर्व log च्या base किती आहे तर 10 आहे. Therefore, this x can be written as x into log of 10 to the base 10. याची व्हॅल्यू किती तर 1. 1 into x as it is. Next, log of 1 plus 2 raised to x to the base 10. That is equals to, आता हे right hand side ला आहे. ते आपण काय करतो तर left hand side ला. Means what? All the variables are on the left hand side. आणि number या side ला आहे. Now again this can be written as exponent property ते apply करणार. हा 10 raised to x होणार. That is a log of 10 raised to x to the base 10 plus log of 1 plus 2 raised to x to the base 10 minus log of 5 raised to x to the base 10 is equals to log of 6 to the base 10. Okay. Now next see this here. दोन log मध्ये इथे काय तर addition आहे. म्हणून त्या दोघांचं इथे multiplication आहे. हा काय तर division आहे. म्हणून तो minus आहे. म्हणून तो division ला इथे जाणार. Okay. Therefore, log of 10 raised to x into 1 plus 2 raised to x upon 5 raised to x to the base 10. त्या दोघांचं ऍडिशन म्हणून मल्टिप्लिकेशन, मायनस असल्यामुळे तो इथे डिव्हिजन. दॅट्स इक्वल्स टू लॉग ऑफ 6 टू द बेस 10. ओके, नाव इथे log of this whole quantity to the base 10 is equals to log of 6 to the base 10. Log 10 दोघांना कसं, it's a common, take antilog on both sides, or it means that these two numbers are same. Okay, this is equals to 6 means what, 10 raised to x in bracket 1 plus 2 raised to x upon 5 raised to x is equals to 6. Next simplification है, easy आहे ते. Now this 10 raised to x, बघा इथे, this 10 raised to x can be written as 5 into 2 whole bracket raised to x, and that is equals to 5 raised to x into 2 raised to x. Now this 10 raised to x can be written as 5 raised to x into 2 raised to x, 1 plus 2 raised to x as it is, 5 raised to x as it is, that's equals to 6. आता दोन्ही sides of 5 raised to x, 5 raised to x get cancel. You will get 2 raised to x in bracket 1 plus 2 raised to x is equals to 6. पुढे simplification, 2 raised to x into 2 raised to x means what, 2 raised to x bracket square. 2 raised to x into 1 means what, 2 raised to x minus 6, and that's equals to 0. आता 2 raised to x is equals to y. Therefore here you will get y square plus y minus 6. हे quadratic equation आलं. याचं simplification, याचे factors. The product of first and last is minus 6y square. Middle term किती, the y. What are the two terms whose product is minus 6y square? And the sum is plus y. That is a plus 3 and minus 2. Therefore the factors are in first bracket y plus 3, second bracket y minus 2, and that's equals to 0. As y plus 3 is equals to 0, y minus 2 is equals to 0, y is equals to minus 3, y is equals to 2. But what is y? Y म्हणजे काय, तर 2 raised to x. 2 raised to x is equals to minus 3, and 2 raised to x is equals to 2. But the 2 raised to x is equals to minus 3 is not possible. Okay, and therefore 2 raised to x is equals to 2 is possible. 2 raised to x is equals to 2 means what, 2 raised to 1. It means that x is equals to 1. This is the correct one. Okay, पुन्हा इथे बघू शकताय तुम्ही. X means what, log of x into log of 10 to the base 10. This is important. मग सर्व x च्या टर्म्स लेफ्ट हँड साइडला आणि log रूल तिथे अप्लाय करायचा. You will get quadratic equation in terms of 2 raised to x. 2 raised to x ला y treat करणार. Quadratic in y, factorize it. 2 raised to x is equals to minus 2 is not possible. Why? Because if we take, this is the exponent form. Okay, and therefore 2 raised to minus 3 is not possible. And therefore x is equals to 1. Now the next. If log of x plus y upon 2 is equals to 1 upon 2 log of x plus 1 upon 2 log of y, then show that x upon y plus y upon x is equals to 7. Okay, now see this. Log of x plus y upon 3 is equals to 1 upon 2 log x plus 1 upon 2 log y. आता पुन्हा हे simplify करणार. Okay, log of x plus y upon 3, 1 upon 2 log x plus log y. Again, log x plus log y means what? Hey, as it is, means what? Log of x into y. Means what? Again, 1 upon 2 log of xy means what? Log of xy raised to 1 upon 2. Okay. पुन्हा इथे on both sides, this is the common. It means that these two quantities must be equal. That x plus y upon 3 is equals to xy raised to 1 upon 2. Squaring on both sides. X plus y upon 3 bracket square is equals to xy. Okay. आता expand करणार. X plus y bracket square upon 9 is equals to xy. Cross multiplication. याचा expansion करणार. x square plus 2xy plus y square is equals to 9xy. And therefore, you will get x square plus y square is equals to 9xy minus 2xy. Then you will get 7xy. Now divide the whole equation by xy. Then you will get x square upon xy plus y square upon xy is equals to 7xy upon xy. xy get cancelled. X square upon xy, that x get cancelled, x upon y plus y square upon xy, then y get cancelled. You will get y upon x, and that's equals to 7. And hence it is approved. Now इथे बघू शकताय. First take 1 upon 2 common. Log rule इथे वापरायला multiplication. 1/2 आहे, त्याचा रेस्ट होणार. As both sides are log, therefore these two quantities must be same, which are that x plus y upon 3 is equals to x raised to 1/2. Squaring on both sides. And then simplify करना. Divide on both sides by xy, and hence you will get the answer. Now the next question. Question number 27. If log of x minus y upon 4 is equals to log of root x plus log of root y, then show that x plus y bracket square is equals to 20xy. Now log of x minus y upon 4 is equals to log of root x plus log of root y. Log of x minus y upon 4 is equals to log of root x plus log of root y. Means what? Log of root x into root y. Now on both sides there is a log is common, and therefore their logs quantities, whatever that, these two must be equal. That x minus y upon 4 is equals to root x into root y. Okay. Now squaring on both sides. That x minus y upon 4 bracket square is equals to square of this. म्हणजे काय? Root x into root y. याचा square जर केला, then you will get x into y. And therefore here you will get xy. पुन्हा x minus y bracket square upon 16. 4 चा square 16. Cross multiplication. X minus y bracket square expand it, x square minus 2xy plus y square is equals to 16xy. Okay. And what about the next? Add on both sides by the 4xy. Then you will get a x square minus 2xy plus y square plus 4xy is equals to 16xy plus 4xy. आता 4xy का add करायचं? Because here we have the 20xy. त्याला 16 आले. अजून 4 पाहिजे. Therefore we are adding. पण त्याचा इथे उपयोग होतो. That is minus 2xy plus 4xy. You will get plus 2xy. X square plus 2xy plus y square is a perfect square of x plus y bracket square, and that is equals to 20xy, and hence it is a proof. पुन्हा इथे बघू शकता. Rule वापरला. Squaring on both sides, and then simplification. Now the question number 21. 28. This is the last question. X is equals to log of BC to the base A. Y is equals to log of CA to the base B. Z is equals to log of AB to the base A. Then prove that 1 upon 1 plus x plus 1 upon 1 plus y plus 1 upon 1 plus z, and that's equals to 1. This we want to prove. And so that we first find the value of 1 upon 1 plus x. 1 upon 1 plus x. But what is x? X is a log of BC to the base A. That is a log of BC to the base A. And again, this 1 can be written as, this is very important, this 1 is equals to log of A to the base A. कारण की यांचा बेस किती तर A आहे, त्या फॉर्म मध्येच आपल्याला ते लिहायचं आहे. आता इथे दोन लॉग्स आहेत, त्या दोघांमध्ये ऍडिशन आहे, दोघांचा बेस कसा आहे तर सेम. And therefore it is a 1 upon the product of A and the BC. Therefore 1 upon log of ABC the base A. पुन्हा change of the base property, or this is the one of the important formula, that is 1 upon log of m to the base A is nothing but log of A to the base n. मग हेच आपल्याला कसं लिहिता येईल? log of A to the base ABC. हा फर्स्ट पार्ट झाला. कोणासाठी? 1 upon 1 plus x. Similarly 1 upon 1 plus y, that will be nothing but log of B to the base ABC. And 1 upon 1 plus z is equals to log of C to the base ABC. If we add all these, 1 upon 1 plus x plus 1 upon 1 plus y plus 1 upon 1 plus z means what? The addition of all these three. This is the first one, second and third. That is the log of A to the base ABC plus log of B to the base ABC plus log of C to the base ABC. सर्वांमध्ये काय तर ऍडिशन साइन आहे, म्हणजे त्यांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन मीन्स व्हॉट? मल्टिप्लिकेशन ऑफ A into B into C. That is a log of A into B into C. बेस कसा आहे? ABC. बेस आणि log घेणारी क्वांटिटी, both are the same. That is the log of m to the base m is 1. Similarly here the value is 1, and hence this addition of all these, that is 1 upon 1 plus x plus 1 upon 1 plus y plus 1 upon 1 plus z, and that's equals to 1. Okay, and in this way we have completed this exercise. This longest exercise, that is a 6.1. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकता. सर्वाधिक महत्वाचं फर्स्ट पार्ट येतो, त्याच्यात 1 कसा डिफाइन केला, दॅट इज इम्पॉर्टंट. ओके, आणि त्यावरनं आपण पुढचे काय करतो तर जनरेट करत असतो. दॅट इज 1 upon 1 plus x means what? Log of a to the base abc. Similarly, 1 upon 1 plus y is equals to log of b to the base abc. And 1 upon 1 plus z is equals to log of c to the base abc. We add it, and then you will get its value is 1. And hence, it's a proof. And in this way, we have completed the biggest exercise. That is a 6.1. त्याचे 3 parts आहेत. First is the introductory part. Second is up to the example 1 to 16. And this is last 17 to the example number 28. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.